As we have finished the topic dot product or scalar product, now it is time to introduce the next topic, that is cross product or vector product. Now, what was dot product? When two vectors were multiplied and you get a scalar quantity. So in that case, the product between those two vectors was known as dot product. But if you multiply two vectors and you get a vector quantity, the multiplication between those two vectors is called as cross product. The dot was represented by a dot and a cross would be represented by a cross. Okay, so this you should know why cross product is known as vector product, because when you multiply or when you cross product two vector, you get a vector quantity again. But in dot, you are getting a scalar quantity. That's why it was called as scalar product. The example of vector product would be torque. The example of scalar was work done. Work done was force into displacement. And the example of vector product is torque. We will learn about torque in chapter number 7. But for the time being, you can just write down that torque is equal to force, which is the vector quantity, and a distance, perpendicular distance. Okay. So when we do F cross R, we get torque, and torque is also a vector quantity. So the multiplication between these two quantities is cross product. Now, how you have to do cross product, I will tell you. You can write the formula of cross product as A dot B was AB cos theta. A cross B is AB sin theta. Okay. So the one formula for cross product is AB sin theta, as in case of dot it was AB cos theta. Now suppose if you have values of A and B, then how you are going to cross product it. For example, let us take an example. Let A vector is equal to 2i cap plus 3j cap plus 4k cap, and there is one more B vector which is value is I cap plus 2j cap plus 3k cap. And the question is that you have to find A cross B. You have to find A cross B. Now how you have to find? Just see what you will do. The first thing that you will do, you will make a box. You will write I cap, J cap, and K cap. You will make 3 columns with I cap, J cap, and K cap. Under these columns, you will write the coefficients of I, J, and K. And A vector coefficient is 2 plus 3 and plus 4. You have to include sign also. In this case, it has 2, 3, and 4. If it is minus, you would use minus over here. The second in B is 1, 2, and 3. So we'll write 1, 2, and 3. So the first step is you have to make a block, 3 columns I, J, and K, writing the coefficients of I, J, K from both the vectors. Now next, what you will do? You will take I cap first. Now when you take I cap, this row, this column, and this row will be blocked. You will be having 4 numbers. See, this and this is blocked. You will be having 4 numbers. You will start from right corner. Okay, right downmost corner. So 3 3s are cross multiplied. 3 3s are 9. You will write minus in between. Then 4 2s are 8. The J cap would always be negative. We will take J cap as always negative. Minus J cap. We'll make the bracket. And for finding J cap, what you will do? This column and this row would be blocked. You will again get 4 numbers, 2, 1, 4, 3. Start from right corner again. 3 2s are 6. Minus in between. 1 4s are 4. I cap minus J cap and again plus K cap. Again this and this is blocked. 4 numbers. Start from right corner. 2 2s are 4. And 1 into 3 is 3. So you get 9 minus 8, 1. That is I cap. 6 minus 4 is 2. So you get minus 2j cap. And 4 minus 3 is again 1. So you get K cap. This is the value of A cross B. This is the way how you found A cross B. If angle is given to you, you have a different method. You know that you have to find magnitude of A, you have to find magnitude of B, and just put the values and do A cross B. So what you will do, you will write the topic cross product or vector product. You will give its definition. You will give its one example. You will write the formula, the basic formula. A cross B is AB sine theta, where A and B are the magnitudes of A and B. You will give one example of how you have to solve A vector cross B vector, and I'm giving you two questions that you have to solve. So in the first question, the value of A vector is equal to I minus J plus K, and B vector is 2I plus J minus 2K. So you have to solve it on your own. You have to find A cross B with the method that I have told you in the video.